FM on algorithm launch kofa midiharwane FM ge child safeguarding policy. Then policy action plan ge tereng algorithm vara bodu egg focus de kameng e we have a stina awareness raising activities hingung adi ege turong capacity building na kuranje maseketa kurong. Then egotong algorithm Commonwealth adi football for peace ko me fishgenda program me safeguarding program ke then also me safeguarding program ge gandu e maksad ki kudakudinna me zoang nung na libe ki kahala aniyata kon ekudin rakkateri kuruma football age theremves adi football age beerumves algormena kurevidane kankam ge mawlumato me football age involve emmena foru koddino me Addu ge program ga algorme me gendani thimba ek bahala gen ege terega me de workshop aka dem me kuriyadani me hitado football stadium ge me da tournament then hendunu ga algorme me wani kudinge session take bawa fega gagadaka 40 kuding wani baveri for then Addu ge huriha school en hen represent kura gota algorme ge football programs ka badwa kudin thereng howala gen algorme ge session ka me kuding himanala fawani then hama de menduru gadiga ege terendiyai me parent unge session ne then the session gawas kudinge session gas to boda focus koregen diyai kuding empower kurumang adi kudinge leadership skills build kuruma kurevidana kantatawge mawlumat deno then parent unge session ga boda parent ge faratung football kule kujjaka nuniyama educational setting එක විය sporting setting එක විය apply kurevidana kala parenting techniques taka achege mawlumat me devigen diya then bergo tariya gotan algonmena ka baverve Michael Chopra ki kuriga me Newcastle ge football kulun theriya then miharu ebefra ki football for peace ke technical ambassador gotuga select for ebefra algorithm safeguarding ge there meha rasu algorithm adi me policy launch kogen algorithm program introduce kurida vara kuda dos kolen hama ve agada ka 10 months ekamo vara gina me training sessions awareness sessions kala me echita kuriya gende veja den hama vara ufave bunang miha kuda dos kole terega agada ka 200 me hunnan algorithm safeguarding training de vija den adi me faharu me Commonwealth adi football for peace golige me da program ge muliya kon aba baveri ve agada ka sateka 30 participant
My name's Michael Chopra. I'm from the UK. I'm half Indian. I was one of the first South British Asians to play in the English Premier League. I played for Newcastle United. I played for Sunderland in the Premier League, and I've also played for Cardiff City, Ipswich Town, and Blackpool in the Championship. And I'm retired now. I'm an ambassador for Football for Peace, and I'm trying to give the kids the opportunity that I once had. Well, we're here for part of a programme with Football for Peace, the Maldives FA and also the Commonwealth. Now we're trying to explain all about safeguarding and trying to give the kids as much protection as we can in the Maldives. It's been great. The workshops that we've put on for the kids and the parents and the coaches, it's been fantastic because we need as much data as possible. We need to know what the problems are and we need to know what we can try and improve and try and help the kids as much as possible. Well, for me personally, I honestly think that we would have to put on workshops every month for the kids, for the parents and the coaches, because this is all new to the people in the Maldives. It's new to the coaches. I think safeguarding has only been implemented in the country for the last 10 months, so it's all new to them. Now, with our experience, what we have in the UK and around the world, then the programs that we do at Football for Peace would be amazing in the Maldives. Yeah, it's my first time in the Maldives. Look, when everyone back in the UK and in Europe, they talk about Maldives, they talk about the nice sandy white beaches, they talk about the palm trees, everything. And it hasn't disappointed me. The Maldives is a beautiful country. The people are amazing. Everybody I've spoke to has all welcomed me, and look, I would love to come back in the near future.
Thank you very much. Hi, my name is Kashif Siddiqui. I'm a former professional footballer and international footballer and also co-founder of Football for Peace. And we've partnered with the Commonwealth and the Football Association of Maldives and Federation to put on a safeguarding week of workshops, both engaging parents and communities across the Maldivian islands. And this is a great showcase today of bringing this power of football here together. So this is my second time to the Maldives, and what's very interesting is that I came to the Maldives in 2008 to play in the SAF Championships. I played against the Maldives national team, Nepal and also India. For Pakistan, I made my international debut here actually in Mali, so it was very, very exciting, and this is my second time, and I'm very fortunate now to be back to give something back to this amazing community. I think the people in Addu are better, and they're better footballers.
Thanks very much.
So Football for Peace, we work with the United Nations and the Commonwealth. We build sustainable initiatives globally, and we use the power of football to raise awareness and resource for the planet's most pressing issues, especially facing issues around, you have equality, social justice, education, well-being, water issues, and in the environment. And we believe that football touches 3.5 billion people, and the power of football should be used for pressing issues like this, especially to try and educate the younger generation using soft skills as play.
Yeah, so my name's Hassan Ali. I'm from the Commonwealth Secretariat, and we partnered with Football for Peace and Football Association of Maldives on this project called Safeguarding in Football program. The program is about how we work with young people in developing their resilience to developing their...
It's okay, can continue. Why do we have the program?
So the program is here to work with young people to develop their skills, their confidence and ability to engage in positive activities. At the end of this program today we saw the tournament, which is a nice friendly tournament where young people were engaged in competitive football. Prior to the workshop, prior to the tournament, we've had a number of workshops where we've engaged with parents, young people and staff from the FA in the Maldives. Prior to the tournament today, we've engaged people from the Football Association in the Maldives. We've engaged parents and young people on workshops which look at different areas, including empowerment, including understanding resilience, and including some of the social ills in our communities here in the Maldives.
So are you happy with the program?
Very happy with the program, very happy with the engagement and the level of participation, and it's really lovely to end with a football tournament where everyone's relaxed, free and enjoying the great game of football.
Is this your first time in Maldives, and how do you find it?
It's my second time in the Maldives, first time in Addu city, and this place is amazing. It really is a paradise, so very jealous of the Maldivians.
Anything else you would like to highlight?
No, just keep playing football. Maldives football team is really amazing. So I hope it inspires the next generation of young people to become professional footballers.
Parang majap. Di kaya program sa gini-gini babang belo.